Hi everyone and welcome. In this video I will be showing you how to add objects with Adobe Photoshop AI. So let's just quickly launch Adobe Photoshop into our PC. I'm going to be doing that really quickly, and once it launches you can see we have that in here. I'm going to be opening my image which I want to change my or add information. So let's just see, I want to add object, maybe a tree in here. So what I can do is simply make a selection using the selection tools. We have pretty much of them. You can see we have lasso tool, so I can use this lasso tool and select this area, and now I'm going to be telling Photoshop to add um, let's just say, yeah, add a tree, and click on generate. Now you will be able to see that it is doing its process, and it should be we are going to be having a tree in here, some sort of. Let's just see how it is going to be looking. So adding objects is that easy using Photoshop AI. So you can see it added something, and yeah, so this kind of looks like a tree, and it actually looks really good. So you can see, yeah, the tree is here, and you can also maybe add, let's just add something silly here. I'm going to be add a helicopter, and click on generate. Once I do, let's just see how it is going to be looking up onto the sky. And I'm really having concerns with this one, that how it is going to be coming up. So let's just see once the process is completed. Okay, so that actually looks pretty decent. The helicopter is looking good. It is small, not as I expected. So yeah, this now looks pretty hilarious, right? We got a tree and we got our helicopter going on. So I hope this is going to be helping you guys out. If it does, make sure to subscribe, and that's how you can add objects with Adobe Photoshop AI.